Alright, so we're getting the old John Deere 214 ready for the season. This is a 1978, I believe. And you've seen this in previous videos of mine. I noticed though, right now, one of my LED lights up top is not working and my yellow light is not spinning the way it should. So I'll fix that before the snow flies, I hope. But in the meantime, we've got the lawn tractor here with hydraulic lift. Let's throttle this up a little bit. And that's a little lift. How that works is there's a drawbar right here that goes under the tractor to where the hydraulics are. And it basically pulls this and moves the snowblower up and down. The snowblower itself is attached or powered by a belt right here, and that belt goes up and over to the clutch in there. This is not an electric clutch system. This particular one, I have to throw this lever. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll throttle up. Alright, a couple of things from previous videos about this particular snowblower attachment. I did the flapper mod, which is I added the rubber flap on here so that it scrapes inside and throws the snow a little bit better. Also, I have a video where I show these are where the shear pins are located on the snowblower, and there are extra shear pins right here. That's what these four bolts are for. Those are actually shear pins. I also did the modification where I put the taller chute on here. I got that off of a John Deere snowblower, a walk behind. And again, you'll see I have a video out there where I show how I attach that. The tractor itself, I added that up in the cab. And I did replace the back handle here with polycarbonate. This thing has seen better days, I'm sure, but I'll tell you what, she fires right up. Give an oil change, fresh spark plug, all that stuff. It's got ATV tires that are filled with liquid, and of course it's got wheel weights there and tire chains. Front tires are fairly new. Now the cab originally came with a piece of sheet metal, but when I bought this, that wasn't there, and the previous owner put this piece of foam in, and that helps kind of keep the wind off the back. I don't know who made this cab. I know there's a company out there called Cozy Cab, but I believe this was actually made by John Deere with the John Deere name on it. Don't know who it was actually made by, but I know it was made for John Deere. It's not a Cozy Cab. One thing that I have to do every year, if I have to access under the hood, for oil change and whatnot, this flap is removable, or I should say it flips out of the way. But these snaps that are in here are long gone, and I found a good way to keep the flap closed. Just a couple of little cable ties, and I just cut them off at the end of the year or whenever I need to get under there. So that keeps the snow mostly out of the cab. This particular cab got a little room down there, you know, for the foot pedal. On this side, it's got a little bit more room because it also has, oops, sorry, I covered the camera. Because you gotta obviously turn the chute with this, so it's got this extra space up in here. This is for my lighting. You got bullet connectors for the lighting. So, all right, so that is the cab. Of course, we got the windshield wiper. Nice touch. So that's the cab. So this thing's a little bit, it's kind of fun to play with. Looking forward to the snow this season. Well, I should say I'm not looking forward to the snow, but I'm looking forward to playing with this when the snow does actually show up, because I'm sure it is. So anyway, getting ready for the season. There's the 1978 John Deere 214. It's got a 14 horsepower Kohler engine. Thanks for watching.